Have you ever stepped out of the shower feeling clean, but after a few hours, you notice that unpleasant, musty smell again? You think, I just bathed, where's this coming from? It's not your imagination. Doctors say that as men age, their bodies naturally change in ways that can make odor worse, even when hygiene seems perfectly fine. But here's the real surprise. Most of that smell comes from just 5 simple bathroom habits that almost every older man does without realizing it. So before you assume it's just old age, let's uncover the truth, and learn how a few small changes can help you smell clean, confident, and fresh again. As we grow older, so much changes, our routines, our energy, even our confidence. But one thing most men never talk about is body odor. It's uncomfortable to mention, but it deeply affects how we feel about ourselves and how others feel around us. The truth is, that old man smell isn't something you have to accept. It's not a part of aging, it's mostly the result of a few overlooked habits that can be fixed easily. Today, we'll go through 5 bathroom habits that silently make older men smell bad, and how to fix them with small, realistic adjustments. No fancy products, just everyday habits that can make a world of difference. Because every man deserves to feel clean, confident, and respected, no matter his age. Habit number 1, skipping proper body washing. Many older men skip washing certain areas thoroughly, especially when it's hard to reach or when they feel too tired. Places like the underarms, groin, back, and feet often get a quick rinse but not proper cleaning. Over time, these areas collect sweat, dead skin, and bacteria, which create a sour or musty smell. Aging skin also produces a compound called nonino, an oily substance with a greasy odor that clings to clothes if not washed away properly. To fix this, use a mild, moisturizing soap and warm water every day. Pay attention to the folds of your skin, underarms, and behind your ears. If it's hard to reach your back, use a long-handled brush or sponge. And don't forget to dry completely, especially between the toes and under folds. Damp skin is where bacteria love to grow. Ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your bathing routine or noticed an area you might be missing? Sometimes, one small change can make a big difference in how fresh you feel. Habit number 2, ignoring toilet hygiene after use. This one may be uncomfortable to talk about, but it's a major cause of unpleasant odor among older men. After using the toilet, especially for bowel movements, wiping alone often isn't enough. Tiny residues can stay on the skin and cause odor, itching, and even infections. As we age, it can become harder to clean properly, but ignoring this step can make things worse. Here's what helps. Use wet wipes that are unscented and alcohol-free. If possible, try a bidet or handheld sprayer for gentle washing. Always dry completely afterward with a soft tissue or towel. Good toilet hygiene isn't just about smell, it's about dignity, comfort, and self-respect. Before we move to the next habit, let me ask you something. Which of these first 2 habits do you think most men ignore the most, bathing or toilet hygiene? Write your answer in the comments below. Your experience could truly help other men watching this video. And if you're finding this helpful so far, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the Wisdom Vault, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Also, make sure to watch till the end, because the next few habits might surprise you, and they could be the reason behind that unwanted smell. Habit number 3, reusing towels, razors, or washcloths for too long. Most people don't realize that a towel or razor can become a breeding ground for bacteria if not changed often. A damp towel hanging in the bathroom collects dead skin cells, sweat, and mold spores, and when you reuse it, you spread that back onto your skin. The same goes for razors. Dull, dirty blades can cause tiny cuts that trap bacteria and make odor worse. To fix this, wash your towel after every 3 uses, or sooner if it smells musty. Let it dry completely between uses. Replace razors or blades every week or 2, and rinse them well after each use. Clean tools mean clean skin, and a much fresher scent. Think about it, when was the last time you changed your towel or razor? Sometimes the smell you blame on your body actually comes from what you're using on it. Habit number 4, wearing the same undergarments or clothes repeatedly. Many older men, especially those living alone, get comfortable wearing the same undershirt or boxers for more than a day. But clean clothes are just as important as a clean body. Your underwear and undershirts absorb sweat and body oils every day. When you reuse them, that stale, sour smell sticks to your skin. To stay fresh, change your undergarments daily. Choose cotton fabrics that breathe well. If laundry feels tiring, keep extra pairs so you can rotate easily. Wash your clothes properly with warm water and mild detergent. Adding a little vinegar during the wash cycle removes odor naturally. Ask yourself, how often do you change your underclothes? Fresh clothes can change how you feel, lighter, cleaner, and more confident. Habit number 5, neglecting feet and toenail care. Feet are one of the most ignored parts of the body, but they're a big source of odor, especially for older men. When toenails grow long or the skin between toes stays moist, bacteria and fungus grow easily. This creates that strong, sour smell that lingers. Even wearing the same shoes daily or keeping socks on for too long can make things worse. Here's a simple routine. Wash your feet daily with soap and water. Dry them well, especially between toes. Trim toenails regularly and keep them clean. Change socks every day, and give your shoes time to air out. If needed, sprinkle a bit of antifungal powder or baking soda inside your shoes. Your feet carry you every day, don't they deserve care too? Healthy feet not only smell better, but they make you feel lighter and more comfortable. Bonus habit, forgetting to moisturize and deodorize. As men age, skin becomes drier, and dry skin holds onto odor more easily. Skipping lotion or deodorant after a shower can make even a clean body smell dull. After drying off, apply a light, unscented moisturizer to keep your skin healthy. Use a gentle deodorant or body spray to stay fresh. The goal isn't to smell perfumed, just naturally clean and confident. Do you end your bath feeling fresh, or just clean? That small difference is what people notice most. Let's take a quick moment to understand why odor becomes more noticeable with age, even when you're keeping good hygiene. As we age, our hormones change, especially testosterone, which affects how sweat smells. Certain medications and foods can also alter body odor. And sometimes, joint pain or fatigue makes men skip daily showers, leading to odor buildup. Even skin chemistry changes, the natural antioxidants in our skin decline, causing fatty acids and bacteria to mix and create that old man smell. But understanding this helps you take control instead of feeling embarrassed. It's your body, and with a few small habits, you can manage it beautifully. These steps don't take much time, but they can change how you feel about yourself completely. Aging is not the problem, neglect is. You can still look, feel, and smell fresh at 70, 80, or beyond. It just takes awareness and a little care. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends or family, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault for more gentle guidance on living well after 60. You've earned the right to feel proud of who you are, inside and out. And taking a few minutes each day to care for yourself is one of the simplest ways to honor that. Take care of yourself, because you truly deserve it. See you in the next video.